Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Jeerakasala rice in your rice cooker. First, accurately measure your rice. 1 cup typically serves 2 people. Next, rinse the rice under cold running water until the water runs clear, removing excess starch. This step is crucial for fluffy rice. Finally, soak the rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the grains cook evenly and absorb moisture, leading to a perfect texture. Achieving the right water-to-rice ratio is key for Jeerakasala rice. For every 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1.5 cups of water. This precise measurement ensures your rice is neither too dry nor too mushy. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the water. It really brings out the natural flavors. For an extra touch of richness and a lovely aroma, you can also stir in about 1 teaspoon of ghee before cooking. It helps keep the grains separate and adds a wonderful fragrance. Now it's time to cook. Carefully transfer your prepared rice, water, and any added spices into the inner pot of your rice cooker. Secure the lid firmly. Select the standard white rice setting on your appliance and press start. The rice cooker will handle the rest, automatically switching to keep warm when done. Once the cooking cycle finishes, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. Let the rice rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly fluffy grains. After the resting period, it's time for the final touch. Open the lid and use a fork to gently fluff the rice. This separates the grains and releases any remaining steam, ensuring a light and airy texture. Your beautifully cooked Jeerakasala rice is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of Indian curries, dals, or even grilled meats. Enjoy the fragrant and flavorful rice you've prepared with ease in your rice cooker. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.